Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to rotate, flip, and resize images in Microsoft OneNote. This is a fundamental skill that'll help you organize your notes visually and make your content more presentable and easier to digest. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft OneNote app and let your notebook load completely. Give it a moment to fully open up all your pages and sections. This ensures that everything works smoothly when you start working with images. Once your notebook is ready, we'll begin by adding a sample image to work with. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find all your menus and tools. Look for the Insert tab and click on it. From there, you'll see Pictures in the toolbar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with different options. Select from File from this list. This action will open up a File Explorer window, giving you access to all the images stored on your PC. Browse through your folders, locate the image you want to use, and click on it to select it. Then simply hit the Insert button to add it to your notebook page. Now that your image is successfully added to your OneNote page, we can dive into the actual rotating, flipping, and resizing process. The great thing about OneNote is that these adjustments are incredibly straightforward and intuitive. Start by right-clicking directly on the image you just inserted. This brings up a context menu with various options for managing your image. In that context menu, hover your cursor over the rotate option. You'll notice that this opens up 4 different ways to manipulate your image's orientation. You can rotate it 90 degrees to the right or to the left, depending on which direction you need. Additionally, you have the option to flip it vertically or horizontally. These options give you complete flexibility in positioning your image exactly how you want it to appear in your notes. Now let's talk about resizing, which is even simpler. You don't need to access any menus for this one. Just click on your image and you'll notice small handles appear around its edges and corners. Simply click and drag these edges or sides, and your image will resize freely. You can make it larger or smaller based on exactly what you need for your layout. This drag and drop method gives you instant visual feedback, so you can see the size change in real time. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to rotate, flip, and resize images in Microsoft OneNote, giving you full control over how your visual content appears in your notebooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.